something like this.
Okay, so what kind of question could be asked on this?
How many shapes can you detach from this composite shape?
I thought you just called it composite less than 5 minutes ago. Why are you not calling it composite?
I don't know.
Don't know. Okay. All right. So how many shapes can you get from this composite shape?
Wait,
Hmm?
you even draw it correctly.
But we don't have time more.
How many shapes can you get from this composite shape?
Now show me the shapes that you can get from it. That's a rectangle. What is that you just did? Because I don't understand it. That last one, that second to the last one that you did is not correct. I don't think that's, yes, that small line that is there should not be there.
Well, that's what I did. Square 2.
But
Not the 1 square 1. No. Square 1.
okay, is that the only question they could have asked from this?
Find the perimeter of this composite shape.
Okay.
Find the area of this composite shape. It's harder because I didn't draw it well.
Of course, obviously, the area of a composite shape is simply the sum of all the areas of the shapes you found, right?
Yes.
But the perimeter is quite different. The perimeter is the distance round. So there are some sides of this shape that you're not going to add. You will only add the ones that are facing out, isn't it? The sides that are facing out. You don't add the sides that are inside, right?
Yep.
You understand what I mean by facing out?
Like these sides.
Which sides? Yes, exactly. Exactly. Those are sides that are facing out, correct? Okay. So is there
Should I
anyone that you
delete
had
it?
challenges with? No, I'm just asking before you delete it. Is there anyone that you had challenges with?
No.
Okay.
We are
All right.
doing,
So
right now we are doing volume. Yes. Area of a semicircle.
that's what you had problem with.
Semicircle. Yes.
Did you have problem with area of a semicircle?
Yes. Because sometimes there'll be one that you can't multiply out with.
What do you mean by there will be one you cannot multiply out with?
Should I delete it?
Delete it and show me the one you felt that you cannot multiply out with.
See. Find
Are you aware of the fact that a semicircle is simply half of a circle?
yes.
So when you have that understanding,
Mostly these parts.
what else is an issue there?
It's mostly these parts when they say the radius is 5 centimeters.
So what happens
Then you
then?
can multiply it. So 5 times 22 will now be
Is that supposed to be a problem?
110.
Hello? I'm asking you, is that supposed to be a problem?
No, like then when they now ask us that 110 divided by 7, that's what makes it harder.
Serious.
No, times
you're
and all of that times 2.
Year 5, you're telling me that is hard. And what you even said now is not exactly correct, because the area of a circle is pi r squared. So it's supposed to be pi r squared. In other words, 22 over 7 times 5 times 5. Do you understand what I just said now? And
perimeter. Wait, no. I think I understand perimeter.
Go. There's no problem with this one. Please let us go to another topic quickly. Just make sure that you remember the right formula to use. Pi r squared divided by 2. That is a area of a semicircle. When it comes to perimeter is simple. Just add the half of the circumference plus the diameter. Finish. You have already. That's the perimeter of a semicircle. True or false? All right. Move on. Let's not waste time.
And the next topic we did was volume of shapes. Volume of 3D shapes.
Volume of is good. Okay, so what is the volume of a cube? Let's start from there.
A raised to power 3. A times A times A. Let's say A is a side.
Use letters that we usually expect to see. I don't think A is a letter that L is better. So what's the volume of
A in our book?
Okay, no problem. So A raised to power what?
3.
Okay, so that's a cube. What is the formula for volume of a cuboid?
Volume of a cuboid. Length times width or breadth times height. Volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder. Pi r squared h.
I asked a question. What is the formula for volume of a cuboid? And you didn't give me an answer.
I said length times width or breadth times h.
Okay, good. I didn't hear it. I think internet took that out. Okay, I have one more question. Giving me the area of a cylinder, is there any other shape, any other solid shape that you have the volume formula for?
Volume of a cylinder.
Pi
r squared h.
What is it? Good, pi r squared h. Now, let me ask you a question. Is there any similarity between pi r squared h and length times breadth times height? Is there any relationship there? Can you show me? Can you prove that there's a relationship there?
They both have a height.
That is one. What other relationship do you see? What other common denominator do they have?
7.
Stop going and answer my question. Stop annotating and answer the question. Concentrate. What other relationship do they have?
Let me see.
Okay,
They
don't
both
worry. Because
have
of time, let me quick. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me?
Yes.
Just listen. Oh. You see, it's very, very easy. And I'm sure you'll be asking yourself, why didn't you notice it? Volume of a let me do on the left hand side. Let us put sorry, let me erase what I just did now. Okay, no need to erase it. Volume of a cylinder, right? So VC, let me call it VCY. Oh no, let me not call it VCY. Clear all drawings. Okay, so let's just, I'm not going to put the letters on the left hand side of the equality sign. I'm just going to put the formulas. Please pay attention. No? So volume of a cylinder, you told me that it is given by pi r
squared H.
right?
Yes.
Volume of a cuboid is what? L
times width times height.
times height, right? I want you to notice something. No? Did you notice that L times B and pi r squared are both areas of the shape that you will find on top of each one? This one. This one is the area of a rectangle. Did you notice that? So what does that tell you? Anytime they're asking you for the real volume of any solid, simply ask yourself, what is the shape on either side of it, the top and the bottom, separated by the height? When you find out whatever shape is there, simply ask yourself, what is the area of that shape? When you know the area of that shape, after you calculate it, multiply it by height, that is the volume. What I just said now is a mathematical principle. You can take it to the bank. You want to write that down so that you don't forget.
Where do I write it?
Find a book now. Go. You can't be telling me where do you write it. Look for a book now. Has all the book in the house finished?
No.
Look for a book and write it. You can even write it inside your notebook, your class notebook at the back somewhere, and nobody will really notice.
Okay. I'm going to write it at the back.
Yeah, go ahead, write it at the back.
But that method is harder.
Which method is harder?
That method you just said is harder to read.
How is it hard? Talk to me now. What makes it hard? What makes it hard? I don't know. Everything. What makes it hard now? I just simplified something for you. You're telling me it makes it harder. I won't say anything. When you're done writing, let me know.
Okay. you say I should write again? What you say I should write again?
Everything that is on the screen, for crying out loud, write it out like that. Then you can, if you want, you can make a note out of what I said, that the volume of any shape, any solid shape, is simply the area of
Wait.
plane shapes on both sides. Let me send it as a chat. Would that be better?
Mm-hmm. Have you sent it?
No. I'm still typing. The volume of any solid shape is simply given by the area of the plane shapes on.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I'll sing on every day. Oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday. I'll sing on every day. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay, I don't know. Look at it and make sense out of it. I've sent it. Have you seen it?
Let me see. Uh-huh.
Does it make sense? Do you understand what I said there?
The volume of any solid shape is simply given by the product of area. A of the plane shapes on opposite side separated by height h and the height itself. I don't understand, please. Happy birthday.
I'm saying, did you hear me?
Huh?
Did
I
you
said
hear
I
me?
didn't
Don't write.
understand.
I said, don't write it. Just hold on. I'm sending another one.
Happy birthday. Can I read what you wrote on the screen?
Have you finished copying it?
Uh-huh.
Are you sure you have finished copying it?
Yapidulu. So can I erase it?
Yes.
Yahoo!
I sent you another one. Now look at it.
To find the volume of any solid shape, simply find the area of the plane shape on opposite sides separated by height and multiply the area by length.
Is that better? Hmm?
I said yes.
Okay, I heard you.
Didn't you see what I typed in the charts?
I didn't see it before before you said yes. I didn't see it.
Okay.
Are you done?
No.
Ugo, are you not done? Hmm? Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Hi.
Aren't you done?
Yes, I just finished.
Why did it take you so long to write all that?
I mistakenly started writing the first one.
Uh, what's the next topic?
Oh,
What's the next topic you guys did? Quickly. I want to end
that's
this class.
all.
That's all.
Wait, did I talk about area of a triangle?
Mm-mm.
Oh,
So what's the
well, we
formula
did
for area?
half base times height.
That one is very easy now.
Mm-hmm.
Very, very easy. Isn't it? Is it not very easy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm going to give you a question now. I want you to solve it in your book and be telling me, be explaining the steps as you're solving it in your book. Are you ready?
Okay.
Remember, you're solving it in your book and you're explaining the steps as you're solving it in your book. You're saying it out as you're writing. So here goes. If the area of a cube is, if the volume of a cube, are you ready now?
No. Let me see.
We'll go settle down quickly now. If 12 minutes, I'll end this class by 12. Oh, you think I'm joking?
I'm ready.
If the volume of a cube is 27 cubic centimeters, what is the length of one of its edges?
It's 27.
What is the length of one of its edges? Yes, 27 cubic centimeters. What is the length of one of its edges?
Don't tell me that you not charge my video and keep charge.
What is the length of one of its edges?
So
I'm not hearing you. You're supposed to be explaining it as you're walking.
so can I ask? So so volume of the volume then the volume of a cube is a cubic, which is a times a times a. We 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 do we do
What do you do?
27
Are you going to start with 27? Okay, Oyana, go ahead. 27, what next? I thought you write out the formula first. V equals A cubed. Is that not the first thing that you would do?
That's what I said. Volume of cube equals
Uh,
A cube, which equals A
uh-huh,
times A.
So 27 equals what?
So 27
Uh,
CL cube equals X times X.
you change it from A now to X.
A times A times A.
Mhm. So what next?
We now do what? 27
Yes, I'm listening.
we now do 27 what times what equals
You're not
27.
So what is that?
I said it.
The cube root of 27, isn't it?
Yes.
So what's the cube root of 27?
I don't know how to find cube root.
We go think about it now. You already know that 27 occurs in 3 times table. Think.
Mhm.
It should spur you to think. What times what will give you 27? Is it not 3 times 9?
Yes. 3 times 3
And is
times
9 not
3.
another 3 times 3?
3 times
Uh,
3 times
look
3.
at. See, simple question that I gave you now. And you wanted to fail it. Hmm?
27 cube equals 3 times 3 times 3.
So
3
that means one of the edges is simply
times
what? 3 cm, right?
3 equals 3. So that means one
Okay,
of the
so the
sides.
one of the edges will be what? 3 cm, isn't it?
Yes.
It's very, very simple. Okay, so I want you to, the reason why I ask the question like this is because sometimes they will give you something like, say, okay, L, length of a rectangle is 5.
Our
Breadth of a
teacher said they
rectangle.
won't give us anything we haven't learned.
So have you not learned about volume of a cube?
Yes, but we haven't learned about that in volume of a cube.
What? See you. As long as you have learned that the volume of a cube is given by V equals A cubed, my dear, they can ask you any question that they want to ask you. They have the right to ask you any question. Which one is that they haven't given us that one? No, any question can be asked. So be ready for it. After all, you have been entering common entrance classes, isn't it?
Yes.
So don't be thinking like somebody that is ready to take common entrance. So you have to be ready all the time. Don't be saying they've not taught us. No. Anybody that is going into common entrance now, including if the person is entering from year 4, you are expected to have done everything that a year 6 person has done. So don't say they have not taught me. No, nobody will take that excuse from you. Any question?
No.
Okay. I'm going to give you another one. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So the area of a circle is 154 centimeters squared. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. The area of a circle is 154 square centimeters. Find the radius of that circle. It's similar to what you just did. Again, they gave you the final answer, and then they're asking you for something that would have led you to the answer. This is a very, very, very similar question. 4
divided.
Now remember that pi is 22/7.
Yes. What times? Wait, is it what times 22 will what times 22 will give us 154?
Yes. So what are you going to do to both sides? What are you going to do to both sides to get that thing? Formula for finding area of a circle is pi r squared. So right now they're asking for what r is. So you want to find what r is. But before you find what r is, you have to first divide both sides by 22/7. Do you understand now?
How do you divide 22/7 by 22/7?
When you are dividing both sides by a fraction, dividing by a fraction is like multiplying by the reciprocal of that fraction. So to divide 22/7 by 22/7 is simply like saying 22/7 times 7/22. Simple. Did you get that? Did you get that?
No.
That's disappointing. Very, very disappointing. A equals 22/7. Stop annotating. I'm writing. I'm trying to explain. You say you didn't get it. Let me explain. A equals 22/7 times r squared. That's pi r squared. Now, we all know that our A is what? 154. I now said divide both sides by 22/7. So dividing both sides by 22/7 means you're going to multiply by 7/22 equals to 22/7 times r squared times 7/22. Simple. The 22 will cancel itself. The 7 on top will cancel the 7 down. Can you see how you have taken care of 22/7 on the right hand side? Now on the left hand side, you can use 11 and break it down. You can start with 11. 11 in 22 is 2. What did you say now?
I will now go 154.
Calm down now. Keep watching. Keep on watching. Since you are watching a movie, just keep on watching. 11 in 15 is 1 time, isn't it?
Yes, 1 remainder 4.
Put that 4 in front of the remaining 4. Is it not 44?
Yes.
11 in 44, is it not 4?
Yes. 2.
You're now left with okay, if
14
you're
and 2.
not even done. 2 can go in itself again.
7
1.
over 1.
No, it's not. It's not. You're not done yet.
49 over 1.
49, which is as good as 49, isn't it?
Yes.
So you are left with r squared equals 49. Are you telling me that you cannot figure out what r will be from that point?
7.
So that's you did what? You took the square root of what? Both sides, isn't it?
Yes.
Have you seen how to deal with fractions now when you have to divide both sides by a fraction?
That was still confusing.
Well, it's your first time probably. So now that you have seen it, I don't expect it to be confusing.
Very, very probably.
Please don't allow it to confuse you. Then I understand that, but I want to understand with you that it's your first time. But I equally don't want to understand with you because you have been in common entrance classes right from year 4, so you don't have any excuse. This cannot be. Can't even really be the first time you've seen it. You are probably not paying attention when they were teaching it in class.
This is the first time I've seen it.
Okay, no problem. There's always a first time. Are you done writing it? I want to give you one more question before we call it a day.
Yes.
You're done?
Yes.
Okay. All right. You can erase the screen if you are done. Okay. So this question is about cuboid. All right. So the question goes like this. In a cuboid, the length is 3 centimeters. The width 2 centimeters. Find the height if the volume is 30 cubic centimeters. Did you get it or should I repeat it?
Repeat.
In a cuboid, the length is 3 centimeters. The width is 2 centimeters. Find the height if the centimeters.
Find the height if
the volume is 30 cubic centimeters.
So we do
Yes, I'm listening.
the volume of a cuboid. A cuboid is length times breadth or width times height. So since the volume is 30 centimeter cubic centimeter, and we know the length, breadth, which is 2 centimeter. We do 3 times each centimeter. We do 3 times 2.
Which is what?
Which is 6. Then I'll do 30 over 6, which is 5.
Okay.
So
We
that
divide both. Divide both.
That's not how I did it. So therefore, equals H equals 5 cm.
Where did you get equals H from? Please remove that equals to. I'm not the one that put that equals there. Remove it. Remove it. I just put therefore H equals 5 cm. Don't put anything I didn't put.
Me too.
So okay, so but it's similar to what you got, right? It's the same answer we got.
Yes, same thing.
Okay.
So let me use your method. 5, which equals 6 H over 6. Boom.
Okay. Are you done writing?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So let's I think we can call it a day. Which question which papers do you have on Tuesday?
Let me check again. Can I erase what you drew?
Yes. Yes. So Tuesday is science and vocational studies. Okay. So, but you said that you don't come back on Monday on time, right?
I'm only available on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Okay, so we can do our we can use our tomorrow's class for science and vocational revision.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Okay.
All right, 4 p.m., right?
Huh? 4 p.m.
Yes.
Yeah, I think.
Please make sure that you're available by that time. Oh.
Okay. Go, go,
Okay.
go, 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 go.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too. Bye.
All right, bye.